Today is June 25th, 2021, and I am currently doing a review for Scott's Easy Seed, Bermuda seed. And I planted the seed around this time yesterday morning, about 6 a.m. I did go ahead and water it after I planted it. And then I came back and did a light watering about 2:45, 3-ish. Because the high temperatures, and it looked like it was getting a little dry. And then I did another light watering towards the end of the evening, about 9 p.m., 9:15. And hopefully these bald spots will fill in. I will keep you guys posted.